Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. And the question says that p1y square minus 4ax is equal to 0, p2y square plus 4ax is equal to 0, p3x square minus 4ay is equal to 0, and p4x square plus 4ay is equal to 0 are four parabolas. Latus rectum of four parabolas enclosed a square of area a square, 4a square, 2a square, and 16a square. Okay, so basically in this question you have to tell us you have given a four parabolas, and the four parabolas have a latus rectums, and latus rectums क्या कर रहा है स्क्वायर को फॉर्म कर रहा है फोर पैराबोलास के. तो आपको ये बताना है कि जो लेटस रेक्टम के थ्रू स्क्वायर बन रहा है उसका एरिया कितना होगा. ओके, सो की कंसेप्ट इज let's say you have a parabola that is form of square is equal to 4ax. So origin axis of this parabola is x-axis, and let's say the origin of this vertex of this parabola is at origin. Okay, and let's say this is a focus a comma 0. Okay, so here in this question use this term lattice rectum. Okay, so lattice rectum is a focal chord, and let's say this is a directrix of this parabola. So equation of this directrix will be x is equal to minus a. So a focal chord which is parallel to directrix, then so a focal chord which is parallel to डायरेक्ट्रिक्स is called a lattice rectum. Okay, so focal chord किसको बोलते हैं? ऐसी chord जो फोकस से पास हो रही है, पैराबोला की ऐसी chord जो फोकस से पास हो रही है और किसके पैरेलल है? डायरेक्ट्रिक्स के पैरेलल है. So let's draw the chord. So this chord passes through to the focus and parallel to directrix. So let's say this chord name AB chord. So we can say the AB lattice rectum of this parabola. Okay, now length of a lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 4 into focus. Length कितनी होती है? 4 into A. So that is the length of a lattice rectum. Okay, so in this question we have given a 4 parabolas. So let's draw the diagram of given 4 parabolas. So let's say this is x-axis and y. Okay, so this is y, this is x. So first we have given here our parabola is y square minus 4ax. That is our P1 parabola. So let's draw this P1 parabola. So this will be our P1 parabola. Next parabola will be y square plus 4ax. So that will be our P2 parabola. That is our P2 parabola. P1, P2, that is y square plus 4ax. Now P3 parabola. P3 parabola is x square minus 4ay. So that will be, this will be our P3 for parabola. And P4 parabola is, this one is P1, P2, P3, and last one is P4, that is x square plus 4ay. So that will be our P4 parabola. Okay, P4. So let's say focus of this parabola is a comma 0. So that will be minus a comma 0. Parabola of P3, focus of P3 will be 0 comma a, and focus of a P4 will be 0 comma minus a. So lattice rectum will be passes through to the focus. Okay, so these are the lattice rectum. AB lattice rectum. Okay, then CB lattice rectum and CD lattice rectum. तो AB lattice rectum किसका है? AB lattice rectum of P1. Similarly, CB lattice rectum of P2. Then CD lattice rectum of P3, and at the last DA lattice rectum of P4. Okay, and we know that length of a lattice rectum is कितना होता है 4a. So each side of it, this square will be 4a. Okay, this made, yes, this these all lattice will be 4a. Okay, so area of this lattice rectum will be, or we can say the area of a, so area of square will be side whole square, and length of it, this square is 4a, because each lattice rectum have length of a 4a, so that will be 4a whole square side square, and that will be 4a square means 4a into 4a, so that will be 16a square. Okay, so that will our area of a square. So which option will be correct? So our option number D will be correct option. Okay, so I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.